Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll see an example for conditional branching statement, which is if block in this video. So the problem here is we have given it two numbers. We need to find out so which one is greater and which one is greater and smaller and equal. Okay, or just I can say which one is greater and smaller. Just put hash over here instead of double line for commenting this. So I'll take two numbers and we need to find out which one is greater and smaller. So for example, take num1 equal to 10 and num2 equal to 20. Now if you see here, I've taken two numbers, num1 10 and num2 20. Here num2 20 is greater and num1 10 is smaller. Okay, so how do we write a condition? If, okay, so if statement, how do we start an if statement? With I, small I and f. So this f is a result keyword and you need to use like this only, and here we need to give a condition saying if num1 greater than num2, then say print num1 is greater than num2. Okay, if otherwise, if num1 is less than num2, print num1 is less than num2. Finally, just say print end of the program. Okay, so I'll just explain you how this works. So first 10 is greater than 20, so false. So this statement won't get executed. So which statement? So since this condition is false, it goes to this condition. So again it checks if 10 is less than 20, true, yes, and then it gets execute this statement num1 is less than num2, and finally it will print end of the program. Okay, so this is how it works. So how the if condition works in Python? So we need to understand the concept of indentation over here. So for example, if you have multiple statements in if block, okay, just say I'm in first if block. If we take any other programming language, so if you have multiple statements in if block, we need to enclose in a flower braces. But coming to the Python, so whatever the statements we have in if we have the same indentation for all those statements, it gets executed in the sequence. Okay, for example, if you see both of these have the same indentation or same spaces, okay, so first it will execute this first print statement and then execute the second print statement. And coming to the if num1 less than num2, this is the second one. And coming to the second one, again the indentation we need to check. Okay, this indentation looks good, and if the num1 is less than num2, so this will print num1 is less than num2. Here just give the double quotes and finally print the end of the program. So now let's run the program and see the output. Okay, 1 second, there is some issue over here. I'm just checking where are we getting this issue. So if invalid syntax, if num1 greater than num2, okay, here we need to enclose this in double quotes. Now let's run the program and see the output. Still we see the same error. I'm just checking what is the error. If num1 greater than num2, print. So the issue over here is missing colon at the end of the if statement or if condition. So we need to put double colon. So each and every if block in Python ends with colon. Okay, so you have seen here, right? So this colon should be there. Let's run the program and see the output. So now if you see num1 is less than num2. Why? Because 10 is less than 20. So print num1 is less than num2 and finally print the end of the program. So this end of the program is printed now. Okay. So this is the simple example for the if block. Now if you see, I'm just changing the numbers. And num1 to 20 and num2 to 5. Okay. And if num1 is greater than num2, what happens? 20 is greater than 5. So it prints num1 is greater than num2 and I am in first if block. Let's run the program and see the output. If you see here, num1 is greater than num2, I am in first if block, end of the program. So here we haven't enclosed these two statements in a block, but still both these statements are considered as if block statements. Why? Because the indentation is same for both. Okay, the indentation is same for both. For example, assume that I have moved this print statement to the starting. Now the indentation is different for both. Now it will print, okay, 1 second. So now what I'll do, I'll just again change the numbers. Num1, 10, num2, 20. So 10 is greater than 20. So this one is false. Okay, 10 is greater than 20, false. And it goes to this line. I'm in first if block. So now I'm just changing it to I am after first if block. Okay. Now let's run the program. It should print this first I am after first if block and then it should print end of the program. Now run the program and see the output. You see, I am after first if block, num1 is less than num2, end of the program. So hope you understand, right? This indentation concept is very important in if block, and the other thing is this colon. Okay, in Python each and every if block or if statements ends with colon. So hope you understand this. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we'll see an example of if else.